like when I be rocking hell, wearing my hat.
Here we go, guys. 6:40 in the morning. Did some maintenance on the pit bike last night. Oil change, oil filter, the works. Now I'm headed to pick up some dirt to work on the pit bike track today. It's gonna be gnarly, so heading to get a load of dirt right now. Loaded up with a fresh load of dirt, dude. Look at this stuff. So nice. Oh my gosh, dude, this is gold if you ride pit bikes. So yeah, here we go, back to the compound. Land of Thrash, boys. Just made it back to the land of Thrash. I wanted to tell you guys that the best thing for your health is smoking grass and eating ass. Ever since I filled out the information on this YouTube virtual reality thing for COPA, which is a child protection plan, my views are down. Before I did the child protection thing, I used to get like 1,000, 1.6, 2,000 views, 2.7, and then I signed up for the Child Act thing and like said my videos weren't appropriate for children. They were mainly just of me smoking weed and doing fucked up shit, and my videos have just been going down, dude. We're at like 473. 542. But guess what? Likes are down, views are down, YouTube's trying to take me down, but I'm fucking stoked. The stoke's high. I'm just killing it out here. Alex is on his way over. Yeah, I'm just living the dream. So I'm just gonna keep loading, uploading into the system until I'm tired of it. And I'm not tired of it. But dude, check out some of these pit bike videos. 7.5K. 7.5K. That's a lot of views for a pit bike video, dude. 52K for riding a crazy pump track. My first time buying legal weed, 35K. Let's freaking strap it to that, boys. What's the claim?
Look!
Who is it?
It's me, born something.
Oh my gosh, it's Naomi Thrash?
Yes, Naomi Thrash.
Naomi Thrash.
You can put this down in the bottom.
What do you do? Oh wait, I think you have to have this in the bottom so it makes a thing. What do you want to make? A star or a heart?
A heart.
Heart?
Yeah.
Like this.
No.
Look. You want to go? Push on it. Oh! I don't think this is how you do it.
Yeah, it is. I think
Oh, here it goes.
It's too cold though.
Here it goes.
Oh, no, sorry.
See it? Oh my gosh. It's a heart. Do you have anything to tell me?
Yeah, I gotta tell you something.
What?
You want to show us your economy and watch. Then have traffic everywhere.
So much traffic in Philly, right?
Yeah.
No, the city's out of control.
Watch what you was naughty.
What was he doing that was naughty?
Ice cream with shots in it for you to eat. There was nothing in it. Just vanilla with.
I think Sasquatch had a needle in his butt.
Hey, this is yours.
Thank you.
Better eat it, Rach.
Oh, it's delicious. What flavor is this one?
It has mint chocolate chip in it.
I love mint chocolate chip.
Whoops, so a monkey needs to get a banana.
That's what you're saying? I think you're pretty good at drawing.
I need you to draw with me.
What do you want me to draw?
We just draw a monster. This is gonna be your weakest fountain.
Want me to draw a monster?
Yeah, you have different kinds in here.
Alright, this is what I think a monster looks like.
And this is gonna be around. There's different kinds you can use. There's this kind, there's this kind. There's this kind. Well, there's a different kind.
There's a lot of different kinds.
Yeah, there's a lot of different kinds. I want you to draw with me, Daddy.
Alright, I'm gonna put the camera down and draw, alright? Is that what you want me to do?
Yeah.
But we're vlogging, dude.
Yeah.
What's going on over here? What's my bike looking like, Thrash? Is it done? Hide. Oh, she found us. Dude, you came over to shred and what happened?
First 2 minutes went down on a berm and lost the palm of my hand. Part of it.
And he's claiming, dude, he can't even grip his bars because he's so fast.
Yeah, too fast for the bars.
You think you're fast, or you think the purple Lambo's playing with your brain?
This purple Lambo CBD might really be fucking with me.
Dude, we love purple Lambo.
Oh.
Who's here? Oh, damn, girl. Caught us smoking crap. Dude, there's only one bike that's gonna fly in the vlog today. That's mine, dude. I'm keeping it real for the boys right now.
God, it's someone else.
Dude, what happened? Those gloves, dude? $40 gloves didn't even protect your hand.
It did. Imagine if I didn't have the glove on.
Imagine if you weren't such a pussy.
Yeah, check this out. Alright guys, I'm injured. Hobbs shredding.
Dude, we built a new whoop section, and it's been giving us some real tears. I'm gonna try and shred it up for the boys.
There it is over there.
It looks good.
It's over in the distance. Oh,
We get
focus.
stuck so bad, it doesn't
Not gonna
mind.
focus.
Yeah? I gotta ride the whole course to get used to it.
Oh. So fucking muddy out here, bros.
Shredding or no?
Look at this mud, guys. Look at this. Savage out here, savage.
I can go over there in front of that berm. The sickest burnout.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That your claim? Too fast, too furious, Tokyo Drift?
Tribute to Paul Walker.
For the boys!
That's all I got out here, boys. Too
So
wet.
muddy.
I'm done.
So muddy out here. Oh my god.
Right now I gotta keep a ton of vision. I need me a little baby who gon' listen.